Hello viewers, Namaste and welcome to our YouTube channel Vehicle Mania. I'm your host Pranav P. Nair. The Hyundai Alcazar 3-row SUV's global debut in production form along with its price announcement is now expected sometime next month. In its launch, earlier stated for May 2021 has been pushed forward by a month due to the ongoing COVID-19 related lockdown restrictions in most Indian states. Now, what do we know so far of the Hyundai Alcazar? The Alcazar shares the Creta's platform, a few body panels and many interior bits as well. In essence, the new Alcazar is a 6 or 7 seat derivative of the Creta midsize SUV. It, however, has been updated to sport a longer wheelbase 2760mm, that is 150mm more than the Creta, in order to accommodate the extra row of seats. A closer look reveals that the Alcazar does get subtle styling tweaks to help distinguish it from the Creta. These include a tweaked grille, an updated front bumper, a prominent rear quarter glass, new wraparound taillights, a slightly more upright tailgate, Fox dual exhaust tips, and a larger set of 18-inch alloy wheels compared to the Creta's 17 inches. Now let's move on to the features and equipment list of the 2021 Hyundai Alcazar. The Alcazar is expected to get all the features available on the Creta, such as a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, Hyundai's connected car tech, a 360-degree camera, a panoramic sunroof, ISOFIX child seats, mounts, wireless phone charging, automatic climate control, and much more. As already mentioned, the Alcazar will get an added row of seats with either a 6-seat with captain's chairs in the second row or 7-seat with bench seating in the second row configuration. The interior will also be offered in a dual tone color scheme, and the version with captain chairs get a unique floor mounted central armrest with cup holders and extra storage space. Now, the 2021 Hyundai Alcazar's engine and powertrain options. The Hyundai will offer the Alcazar in India with a petrol and a diesel engine option. The petrol engine is an updated and more powerful version of the Elantra and Tucson's 2.0-liter 4-cylinder unit, making 159 horsepower and 192 Nm of torque. The diesel engine will be the same 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged unit from the Creta that produces 115 HP and 250 Nm of torque, though it has been turned differently. Both engines will come with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. What would be the rivals of the Hyundai 2021 Alcazar? The Hyundai Alcazar will compete with the likes of the MG Hector Plus, Tata Safari, and the Mahindra XUV 500. The segment is set to be more competitive later this year once the new Mahindra XUV 700 is launched in our market. So, hope you liked the video. If you liked, please do give a thumbs up and do share it with your friends. Also leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get all the new videos notifications. Till then, see you.